For my final, I chose to map out what the sound of negative self-talk looks like compared to the sound of positive self-talk. Right now you're looking at the words that people spoke, transposed onto paper and layered on top of each other. On the left is the negative self-talk, and on the right is the positive self-talk. Then I extrapolated the sound waves from what they said. This is the negative self-talk mapped out in pen and wine, because wine is a downer and negative self-talk is a downer. Then next to it, we have the sound waves mapped out of their positive self-talk, which is done in pen and coffee, because coffee is an upper and positive self-talk is an upper. And then this is what the sound waves done in wine and coffee, the positive and the negative, look like when put side by side.